up, y'all? It's Day or De La Soul, and today I'm at Dollar General and I'm about to take the Believe Beauty Full Face Makeup Challenge. All products under $5, so come on, follow me in there. Let's get these products. Okay, y'all, so I am once again doing the Believe Beauty Full Face Makeup Challenge, and I'm going to do this look inspired by their Into the Blue eyeshadow palette. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Can you believe I got this bomb makeup look with products all under $50 from Dollar General? So I'm going to challenge you guys to head into your local Dollar General and take the Believe Beauty Full Face Makeup Challenge. Be sure to tag me and Dollar General in your post.